The first thing that I normally prepare for is just everyday life. You need to prepare for what might happen. Being on the road quite often, I need to prepare for vehicle emergencies. I need to prepare for being stranded next to a road for maybe an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours, depending on what happens and where it happens. So that's the basic stuff that I prepare for. So for that, I would then get my EDC, my everyday carry, and that would form the basis of my daily preparations. And then also part of that, I will have my vehicle emergency kit prepared and ready in my vehicle so that if something like that happens, I can then deal with it. So that would be my first preparation that I will do, and that's how I have started off with. Is first of all my everyday carry equipment, and then just the basics for what I will need for a emergency when stranded along the road.